Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Movies Anywhere error code 42650. The error reads, "The operation couldn't be completed. Core media error domain." As per our research, the error comes when users try to stream movies on the Movies Anywhere platform. This issue has been reported on both the app and the website. According to our research, this error may occur due to an outdated app or browser, device firmware issues, or sometimes it can be specific to a device or browser compatibility issue. We first suggest you restart your device, then check if the error still comes. If the error persists and you are using the Movies Anywhere app, then check if you need to update the app. If so, then update the app and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the Movies Anywhere app and check for the error. In case you still get the error, then check if you need to update your device firmware. In case you're using the Movies Anywhere website from your browser, then check if you need to update your browser. In case the browser is up to date but still has the error, then try using the Movies Anywhere from any other browser and see if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you try using the Movies Anywhere from any other device. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.